As promised, I'm recording you the routine with the door handle, how to thread yourself with your chin, your lip and sides of the face. You can even do the eyebrow threading on yourself, but then you really need to see yourself and what you're doing. So you would need to have some mirror somewhere. Some girls, they actually put the mirror up on the door as well, just to see what they're doing. So first, I'm just going to have my thread and I'm going to create a few loops up here and just a knot really tight, so it's just secure on the door handle, whichever way you like it. I'm usually making 2-3 knots, so it's just there. I'm just going to put it there. So 1 knot, 2 knots. So once I have my knots, that means my thread is secure on the door handle. And now I'm going to go and do exactly the same what I did with my neck method and with my mouth method. So I'm going to hold this pulley in my non-working hand and I'm going just to create my loops. 1 towards myself, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, for example. And now what I have exactly the same position as I usually do, where there is one piece pretending that this is my neck piece actually, and all the rest is actually my hands as they are. So it's just kind of reversed thing of the same that we do with the neck and mouth method. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the door between my legs. I'm going to position the thread. Remember, the thread is going from left to right, so you're going to thread from left to right. So I'm going to hold it really close again. I'm going to do exactly the same as I do always with the thread. I'm going to create a tension between my hands and to pull them apart really tight, and this piece is always kind of a little bit loose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place them onto my skin, and I could actually feel that. So I can place it again on my skin. Ow! Ow! And that way, oh my God, what am I doing to the clients? It's so sore on the lip. So that way we're actually doing the same thing, back to the base position, on the skin, and pull it apart. Another way to do it, because I'm pushing out from the thread, so that way the thread is moving. You can probably see my skin started getting red already in places. Back to the basic position on the skin and push away. Another way to do it, not pushing away from the door. Can you see my hands when they're going on it? They're pushing together. So my hands going together with my body in here. Oh, that's good. Whew. So another way is to push the door away from you. So you don't need to move anywhere. I'm going to put it there and look. I'm pushing door away. So I'm pushing it between my legs, basically, pushing it. Don't push it too far away. So it's only about, I don't know, 10-15 centimeters. I'm pushing the door slightly down. Remember, when you're doing the threading, you always have to put the thread on the skin quite deep, so it actually creates little line. You will see it now. That's enough. Did you see that little line that it left on the skin after I took the thread off? That means you have enough pressure on the skin. So that way you can always check the pressure on the skin. So now closer. And push. And push. And push. And push. Remember, try always to keep it 90-degree angle. That way the thread works the best. Okay, good luck with the self-threading and the door.